Hi, this is Kevin Barrett with Safe Road Services, and in this segment we're going to talk a little bit about the differences between these commonly used de-icing products, basically the chloride brines. Starting off with calcium, very effective from 32 degrees down to 25 degrees, and I mean pavement temperature in all references to temperature. Dries completely, leaves a white residue. It's not effective or efficient below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It also promotes corrosion on ferrous metals. It does a number on sander bodies, chains, bearings, and the rest of it. Calcium chloride, the second one we're going to talk about. It has very high melting effectiveness. Of all the chloride brines, it has the lowest effective working temperature. Very hygroscopic, which means that it readily absorbs moisture from the air, but it can leave a moist film on the road, which can be slippery. This is mitigated when it's blended with an agricultural byproduct. Mag chloride, another good melting agent. You'll get wet roads down to minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This is pavement temperature. Has a little bit less overall melting capacity than calcium chloride, but with respect to mag chloride is that it's a bear on certain grades of stainless steel and aluminum. Right from the very beginning, when we were distributing the first product that we talked about, IceBand, we could see after a couple of years the inside of our trailers had the sidewalls were pitted and the baffles were just chewed beyond recognition. So this is one of the big drawbacks with mag chloride. Great product for winter and summer use, but we, for that and for other reasons, decided to move toward calcium chloride. Now, the other thing that we want to talk about is comparison of de-icing materials. The line that you have to look at is the lowest effective working temperature. Safe melt, 4060, about 0 to minus 5 degrees. Liquid mag, again, minus 10. Liquid calcium, minus 20. Sodium chloride, 18 to 20 degrees. It's a huge difference. So you have to keep this in mind when you're making a decision about what kind of a product you're going to use. Corrosion on ferrous metals with Safe Melt 4060, negligible. It's less corrosive than water. Straight magnesium chloride, high. Very high corrosion factor on ferrous metals. Same with calcium chloride and same with sodium chloride. Aluminum, you'll find some damage with calcium chloride, but it's a fraction of what the damage is on aluminum with magnesium chloride. The stockpile retention of Safe Melt 4060 is extremely high. It's very good. But for straight mag, straight calcium, and straight sodium chloride, it's not effective at all. You don't even consider using those products in that particular application method. Residual on the road. Again, what's left over on the road after you make an application, even after a storm is over, it's very high with these high percentage blends. And it's negligible with mag, calcium, and sodium chloride. Safe Melt 4060, again, very effective as a liquid anti-icing agent. The percentage of chlorides that are left in the natural and built environments with these high percentage blends, very low. With the other products, very high. Surface effects with the 4060 blend in a liquid anti-icing mode, you'll see some brown color left on the road, but as far as staining or being tracked in the buildings, you won't find that as an issue because there's so little of it being applied at any one time. So these are things that you have to take into consideration. When you get a chance to look at that table, you'll be able to get into it a little bit more. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Again, this is Kevin Barrett, Safe Road Services. Thank you very much for listening.